Hello, hello. This video is brought to you by the one and only Squarespace. From online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the perfect place to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Now today is a video with a difference. Many of you will know about my Porsche 912. It's had a huge amount of work done over the past 18 months to 2 years of me owning it, and it has finally gone in for an engine rebuild. Now, COVID being COVID, where I've actually sent the car, they're not allowing me to go and run around with a camera, which is absolutely fine. However, we've got a stand-in for the video. So this video is going to be presented to you by David from the Classic Car Company. Probably a relief for quite a lot of you that my face is not going to be hugely involved in this. But the 912 is having its engine out, it's being rebuilt, and I'm going to let David take over and explain to you exactly what's going on. So without further ado, let's hit the road with David and let's go.
Good afternoon TGTV, my name's David and I'm from the Classic Car Company. We're lucky enough to look after a few of Tom's cars for him, and you may have seen a few of his videos from our facility in the past. One of the cars we look after is his Porsche 912, and Tom's asked us to have a little look at the engine and give him some advice as to what it might need to get it into tip-top shape. He's got a few events lined up for it and obviously he wants to be able to rely on it. So I'm on my way now to one of our partner workshops, and a very talented chap called Steve has pulled the engine apart for us, and we'll take you through obviously where we're at. Now ordinarily Tom would be obviously doing this and be very much involved, but unfortunately with COVID and the times that we live in at the moment, it's just not appropriate really to have more people than we need in the workshop. So unfortunately you're going to have to put up with my ugly face. Now, before we take you into the workshop and show you where we're at, I'll just share a little bit of our thinking up front, first of all. Now, obviously it's very easy just to pull an engine out and just say, look, the whole thing's shot, we want to rebuild the entire thing, replace every single part going. You guarantee yourself a brand new engine, but you'll also guarantee yourself a hell of a bill. So trying to be a little bit more thoughtful about it and see actually what's really needed, because the engine itself drives fairly well. Most of the power is there. I was never fully convinced that it was running on all cylinders correctly, and it certainly wasn't particularly fond of keeping all of its fluids. So there's definitely some stuff that's going on, but with road tests, with compression tests, with leak back tests, and then just having a really good look into the engine with a very small camera gives us a really good picture of what's working well, what we don't need to replace really, and gives us a plan. So some of this stuff is, I guess, major service work, you would say, like replacing fuel pump, HT leads, spark plugs, stuff like that, and some of it is more engine overhaul, so oil seals, and so on and so forth. So we'll take you through where we're at and what we're going to do, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. So there we have the Porsche 912 without an engine in it. And there is the engine. Let's start over here. Here we have all the tinware, the engine casing. That'll all go off and be sandblasted and prepped and repaired and powder coated, so it'll all look absolutely lovely, along with the heat exchangers and the rocker covers. We've got an exhaust which will have nice new gaskets when it's refitted. Carburetor, which just needs a really good clean and a rebuild. Some pretty old rotty spark plugs which won't have helped either. But here is the main part of obviously the engine and the job. So we've got the seal there which was leaking oil very badly. We've got a knackered old fuel pump. That's the flywheel, which you can see the teeth really badly worn, and there's a nice groove. Not doing this very well. There's a nice groove there. Wasn't allowing it to seal particularly well. So we've been in and had a little look in there with the scope to check the inners, which all look pretty good. The valve clearances will all be adjusted. That's the crank pulley, again, quite badly worn. new seal required there. Clutch plate itself, which isn't in the worst condition in the world. The teeth here on the cover are very badly worn, sort of pressure against the plate's not where it needs to be really. And then up here in the car itself, we've got drive shaft seals that need replacing. As you can see, they're very wet. And in there as well, obviously the main gearbox seal. A lovely thing to have, the old original oil cap, but not necessarily when it looks like that on the inside.
We interrupt this 912 related broadcast with a very cool offer from Squarespace. Now, if you don't know about Squarespace, and I'm sure you do by now, it is the ultimate place for building your own website, be it for a passion project or a business. There really is no better place, and there's an exclusive deal coming right up for you guys if you're keen on doing exactly that. There's some really cool features that make your path to online success super simple and efficient. The first of which is you can actually build members communities and community areas on your website with ease using the inbuilt tools on Squarespace. And actually you can use Squarespace as an all-in-one tool. You can go on there right now and go and see if your domain name is even available, purchase the domain and get going off the bat. You don't need to mess around with loads of different websites. It's all in one. Another really useful thing, something that I actually use myself, is with Crepchief Notify. You can build monthly subscription models on Squarespace as well, so you can build that into your website and generate recurring income, which is key goods. The other thing as well that e-commerce stores use regularly and really effectively are email campaigns, and you can build those in very easily with Squarespace as well. It gives you the tools to run effective and efficient email campaigns. Absolutely key as well. Another thing is that obviously most traffic these days is directed from mobile phones as well, and it can be a pain optimizing your website for mobile traffic. Again, Squarespace makes that super easy, meaning that your website is both amazing on a desktop and on a mobile phone. Now the banger is the fact that you can get a free trial, and when you're ready to start, save 10% on your first order with Squarespace using the exclusive link below. That'll also be in the pinned comment and in the description. So go and get involved in that. Start your online dream and also support the channel as well. So get in the mix, and as always, keep me posted with what you're building. For now then, thank you very much for tuning in. I look forward to updating you further when the 912 is back together with its engine all nice and spick and span, and with new tinware and whatever, and driving really nice. There are further developments coming with the 912 too. The interior is being redone by D-Class Auto, who are absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait for that. So please do get your interior suggestions in the comments. Let me know, do you want me to go chocolate brown? Do you want me to go tan? Do you want me to stick with the original theme and go black? Do you want bucket seats put in there? Do you think it's suits the more classic style of seat that's already in there? I want to know all about what you guys think. Chances are I'm just going to do what I want to do anyway, but it's always nice to hear from you guys and hear exactly what you want to see done with the car. And then there is some paintwork stuff coming down the road. So there is a huge road ahead with this car. I've decided to go balls out the bath in it. I'm going to give it the full beans. I'm going to get it back to its former glory. I'm sick of messing around with it. I'm going to give it everything. So I'm really excited about the journey, and I do want to hear from all of you. For now then, thank you very much for watching, and I do apologize for this kind of chopped together style of video. And also, as always as well, thank you very much for supporting the brands that support my channel. It's really important you stick with me on that, and thank you so much. It means a huge amount. It means the channel can keep going, and I can treat the 912 to the treatment that it deserves. So thanks again, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!